hiccups again. Let's find out why they happen and how to stop them. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs, spasms suddenly. This spasm causes you to breathe in quickly, and then your vocal cords snap shut, creating that hic sound. Simple, right? Actually, hiccups can be triggered by things like eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even getting suddenly excited or stressed. So next time you get the hiccups, try holding your breath or drinking water slowly to reset your diaphragm. Like if you learn something new. And hey, share your best hiccup remedies in the comments. Catch you next time.